all these people, they're making money trading currency. That is awesome. That is awesome. Great. And this is one of their presentations. There's another right there, and more people over here. Great. This is really fun. More money coming in for them. That is awesome. So if you want to learn more about trading, just let me know. You'll find the link below. And this is another video for the 100 video challenge, 100-day video challenge, one video a day for 100 days. And if you have a business or a product that you want to sell, just go to the link in the description so you can get more information, create a new account, and get leads. Thank you for watching. Bye.